I'm Jerry, professional football player.
I'm Emerald. No picture, please.
I'm Sarah, and you can call me the mother of puppies.
Welcome to our world.
One thing we miss the most about living in LA is the beach, so today we're headed over to Sapkyu. Aren't they just the cutest little sleepyheads?
You dare camera on me today. Damn, you married a god.
You're so crazy. You're so crazy.
You better treat me well, because I'll have another one in no time.
Oh my gosh. Oh, what did I do?
Why are you wearing a mask?
Because we're about to leave.
You're hiding your face.
Nothing to hide but beauty.
Well, Candy. Emerald, you want to play? Emerald, wake up.
Deep into sleep yet.
Go swimming. Go in the water. Wake up.
After waking our princess up from her 1.5-hour nap, we headed out to the beach.
We came all the way to the beach to go in the water, and they're saying nobody's allowed in the water. Oh, okay.
These little father-daughter moments are my favorite. Emmy has the best dad ever. After sneaking into the water for a few seconds, we met up with some friends for some delicious food. After eating some delicious food, we headed over to the local arcade and amusement park. This place definitely reminded me of Santa Monica Pier. A little rundown, but still very cute and super fun. And of course, Jerry chose to ride the scariest ride, the Space Shot. And off they go. And as the sun began to set, it was finally Emmy's turn to get on a ride. No adventure is complete without a little thrill. And of course, the best dad of the year was right by her side.
Oh, dizzy? Wow, was that fun?
And that's a wrap. While there were some unexpected bumps along the road, I'd say this trip was a success. Nothing better than ending the night with my two favorite people.